In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma design into a Shopify theme. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your journey, this task is not only essential but also immensely rewarding as it bridges the gap between creative design and functional e-commerce. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, you want to head over to Figma. For those unfamiliar, Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that's widely used by designers worldwide. It allows for real-time collaboration, making it an excellent platform for creating detailed and interactive prototypes. So go ahead and open up Figma in your browser. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page for the Login button. Clicking on that will take you to the sign in page where you can enter your credentials. If you're not already registered, signing up is easy and you'll gain access to a plethora of design tools. After logging in, you will land on your Figma homepage. From here, locate the design file that you want to convert. It should be listed among your recent projects. Click on Design to open your project. This is where you'll see your layout, styles, and components all neatly organized. It's important at this point to ensure that everything is exactly how you want it, precise alignments, accurate color schemes, and all assets being perfectly arranged, as these elements will define how your Shopify theme will look. Once you have your design open, the next step is to click on Action. This option can usually be found within your project interface and will open up a variety of tools that Figma offers. In the search bar that appears, type in Shopify. This will help you find the Shopify Image Importer, an indispensable tool for this process. The Shopify Image Importer allows you to take your design elements and configure them for Shopify's platform, ensuring that your imagery and style translate seamlessly from design to online store. When you see the Shopify Image Importer option pop up, click on it. This will begin the process of exporting your design assets directly from Figma into a form that Shopify can interpret and use. It's crucial here to be patient and follow any additional prompts carefully. They guide the exact specifications needed for seamless integration and can prevent potential hiccups down the road. And that's it! You have now successfully begun the transition of your Figma design into a functional Shopify theme. Remember, attention to detail and careful planning at every stage will yield the best results. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it ignites your creativity to create stunning e-commerce websites. Tune in next time for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!